In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up footprint charts in GoCharting. If you've been curious about order flow and want a clearer view of how buyers and sellers interact at each price level, this is a great place to start. Footprint charts, also known in GoCharting as cluster charts, let you see the traded volume inside each candle, broken down by price, so you can quickly spot absorption, imbalances, and areas where liquidity is shifting. Before we begin, a quick note on terminology. In many platforms, these are called footprint charts, but in GoCharting, you'll find them under the name cluster charts. They're the same concept. A candle replaced by a grid of numbers that shows how much volume traded on the bid versus the ask at each price step. This view helps you move beyond simple candles and get a more granular read on market activity. Now, let's set it up. With your chart open in GoCharting, look toward the top bar of the platform. There's a chart type menu there. This is the drop-down you'd normally use to switch between standard candles, bars, or lines. Click on that chart drop-down. This reveals a list of available chart styles supported by your plan. From that list, choose Cluster Charts. As soon as you select it, your chart will switch from traditional candles to the footprint view. Instead of a single colored candle body, you'll see numbers or cells inside each bar that represent traded volume at each price level. Depending on your theme and settings, you may also notice color variations that indicate buying versus selling pressure, making it faster to identify aggressive activity within the bar. One important detail to keep in mind: these advanced cluster features are available to premium users. If your account doesn't include premium access, you may see a lock icon or a prompt to upgrade when you try to apply the chart. That's expected behavior. To use footprint or cluster charts in GoCharting, you'll need an active premium subscription that supports order flow visuals. Once cluster charts are enabled, you'll immediately have a more detailed lens for reading the tape right on your chart. Use this view to confirm areas of interest you've already identified with your usual tools, and to better understand whether momentum is building or fading at specific prices. That's all you need to set up footprint charts in GoCharting. Click the chart drop-down, select cluster charts, and ensure you have premium access. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.